Welcome back to J Ray's channel. We have a 2016 Ram Rebel 1500. I have the airbags and everything on here, running board. If you are not a subscriber, please smash that subscribe button and comment I subscribe and I will reply. So I thought I would come on here and show quite a few little tricks and stuff like that with the key fob. Here's the key fob. We have your standard unlock, lock button. You can set on your radio if you want that little beep or turn it off. I like having it, so when I lock it, it lets me know it's locked. But Q-Future, as you see, I know that I have mine jacked all the way up and everything, and running boards. I just got the running boards installed not so long ago. But let's say you buy one of these and you don't have the running boards and everything, and your girlfriend, your mom, grandma, grandpa, anybody that has a little problem getting up in there a little bit and everything. Well, a cool feature on here is that you can hit this little button here twice, and you can see the lights blinking right here, letting you know that it is lowering. So you can see that it's lowering down. And it gets pretty low. And it honks like that to let you know that it's all the way lowered. And now you can literally hop in here. Excuse the mess, this is my own personal truck. And make it a lot easier for your mom, girlfriend, grandpa, anybody that has a problem getting in there short and everything. This also definitely does still have the remote start. So like we are in the winter time and everything, you just press this twice, lights blink, and it starts right up. And you just hop in there, and then you just put the foot on the brake and push the button. So, if you guys like this video, please like. And if you're not a subscriber, smash that subscribe button and comment, and I definitely will reply. Thank you.